All right, you're going to start with a balloon that looks about like this. A couple things to know. I'm going to do it based on fingers. I'm going to do it based on 2 of my fingers. So 2 of your fingers might be a little bit smaller, so you might want to have an adult help you at least measure out the fingers. But I want to keep everything small. All this extra tail, there won't be quite so much when we're all done, but this gives the air a place to go. I am going to do the head and the 2 ears first. The head and the 2 ears are going to be down here at this end that I tied. I'm going to hold where the head is going to be with my 2 fingers, and I'm going to twist this part of the balloon. So I'm going to give it about 2 fingers because I want it to be small, and I'm going to twist this part of the balloon. Now, anytime I make a twist, I have to hold this first one so I can get the next one. So I'm going to measure 2 fingers again because I'm going to make the head and the ears about the same size. So I'm going to measure 2 fingers again. I have to hold this one and where I'm going to do my next twist. And I make that twist. And then I'm going to do that one more time because I need one more ear. So I'm going to do my 2 fingers there. I have to hold both of these now in my other hand. And I'm going to do that little twist. So that now I have 3. And I'm going to take these 2 on top of these 2 over here, on top of this one, and I'm going to twist these 2, and I might feel like it's going to pop, and if I pull away just a little bit, that's going to help. And now I have the mouse's face, and I have the mouse's 2 ears. So the next thing I'm going to do, and all mine for this mouse are going to be 2-finger balloons. So next I'm going to do the neck, and then his 2 front feet. So it's going to be exactly the same. I'm going to measure my 2 fingers, and I'm going to hold on to this part close to the ears, and I'm going to twist here to make the neck. And then remember, now these ones here that I already made, the head and the ears, won't come undone now because they're already twisted together. So I don't have to hold those. But now I have to hold the neck, and I'm going to do 2 more the same size. So I'm going to do my 2 fingers and twist. And then I have to make 1 more, so I'm going to do my 2 fingers and twist. And now the same thing that I just did, I'm going to fold those over. And I'm going to twist these 2 with this one. So I'm just going to twist these 2 and pull it away so that they all kind of go together. And then after I do that, I just have to make sure that everything lines up. So I have my face going the right way, but I don't have my feet side by side. I'm just going to give this a little twist and pull so that everything lines up. So now I have the face, I have 2 ears, I have a neck, I have 2 front legs. So we're going to make a little body, which will be 2 more, and then we'll do 2 more legs too. So we have 3 more 2-finger twists here. So I put my 2 fingers next to all the stuff that's done, and all the stuff that's all twisted together now. I don't have to do anything to it. I'm going to do a twist, and then remember I have to hold this one that I just did because this one isn't tied to anything. So I have to hold it, do another 2-finger twist right here. Then I have to hold both of the ones that I just made, so I can do 1 more 2-finger twist. And then the same thing, the 2 back legs that I just made, and this one that is the body, I'm going to, just like I have been doing, I'm going to twist those together. And make sure things kind of line up. And now I have a balloon mouse.